Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the Bissell Big Green carpet cleaning machine. I hadn't seen too many reviews on this, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents, just based off my experience and let you know what I thought about it. I should mention real quick too, I actually found a pretty good deal on this. I'll put a link below to that in the description so you can check that out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. So long story short, I was in need of a carpet cleaning machine, or I was in need of carpet cleaning, and I called several carpet cleaners. I wanted to get my whole carpet done on my house, and got some prices, and the prices I was getting from them was far greater than the price of the Bissell Big Green cleaning machine. So to me, it was kind of like, why would I pay them quite a bit more when I could just get one of these things and have it forever, and just whenever I need to clean my carpet, I can do it. Great for spots or spills or anything like that also. So that's exactly what I did, and I'm extremely happy with the way this thing works. It works super, super good, I guess, if you kind of want the short version of this review. But let me tell you another reason why you may also consider getting one of these instead of paying for a carpet cleaning service. For one, the chemicals that they use are very, very strong from a carpet cleaner. They don't want to spend a lot of time there, so they use really harsh chemicals to basically work quickly. Now, they do work quickly, but at the same time, it can be rough on fabrics. I had a cleaner come and do my furniture once, and it never felt the same after. It had a stiff feel to it that I could never get rid of, and it bleached it a little bit too. The nice thing about having your own machine is you can use a more diluted solution, so it's much gentler on your carpet and your fabrics if you're doing your furniture too. So that's a big thing also. But anyway, I'm kind of getting sidetracked. Why do I like this thing? How does it work? Well, after doing quite a bit of research, everybody says get the Bissell Big Green Clean Machine. It's just the best one out there for the money. It's been around for literally decades. If it isn't broke, don't fix it. It just works, and it works really good. And I would completely agree with that. It really does just work very, very well. It's built like an absolute tank. They've perfected this thing over the years, and it just cleans better than anything else out there. It has 2 big tanks, one that keeps your clean water in your solution, the other one handles all the dirty water, so you're never mixing dirty water with clean water. Some other, like rental units, do that, where it's actually recycling your dirty water into your carpeting when it's cleaning it. This is always putting fresh, clean solution and water on your carpeting, and then it vacuums it right up. After, it's got this really powerful, big agitator brush inside there too. So it sprays down clean solution, agitates it with this big agitator, and then vacuums it up really hard back into a dirty water basin. Works exceptionally well. The results I got with it were shocking, actually. If you haven't cleaned your carpet in, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, you'll notice a big difference after using this one, especially depending on if you have pets, things like that too. But yeah, in my opinion, like I said, this is the one to get. You don't have to spend extra and get the Pro Heat ones. They cost a lot more. In my opinion, it's really not worth it. This thing does an exceptionally good job, and for the money, it's the best one out there, like I said, in my opinion. So anyway, if you have any more questions about it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.